Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video very stylish and latest ideas of low maintenance styling in short hair. Obviously low maintenance in short hair. And with beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and stylish hair cut. And many much more different stylish, latest, most demanding and trendy ideas of low maintenance hair styling with beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. So beautiful collection in today's my video, so I hope you like it. Different ideas of styling in low maintenance. Spiky hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. And so stylish collection of choppy hairstyle. And very attractive ideas of messy hairstyle and choppy hairstyle with undercut. So beautiful ideas of haircut. Some ideas step. Undercut. And so beautiful collection of layered, deep layered. Choppy haircut, notching haircut. And many much more ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful collection of hair dye. Many much more ideas of hair dye you see in this video. Most demanding hair dye and so cute, attractive hair dye, blonde color. And different ideas of blonde, light blonde, dark blonde, and dazzling blonde, gold blonde, burgundy color, black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, and different ideas of highlights in blonde and burgundy color, funky color, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.